You can share your live location with your group or private discussion if you want to show your Telegram contacts and friends exactly where you are. This avoids the need for lengthy instruction when letting people know where you are. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to send location on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on chat box where you want to send location to. On the message bar at the bottom, tap on attachment icon. From the bottom bar, tap on location. Tap on send my current location. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to send location on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.